Crash course on linguistics, phonetics and phonology. Learn about the sounds of language and how they are produced and perceived. Sure, I am happy to provide you with a crash course on linguistics, with a focus on phonetics and phonology. In this article, we will explore the sounds of language, how they are produced and perceived, and provide you with a list of the top 12 popular linguistics in the world. Let's start by defining what linguistics is. Linguistics is the scientific study of language, including its structure, history, and use. It is an interdisciplinary field that draws on a range of disciplines, including psychology, anthropology, and computer science. Phonetics and phonology are two subfields of linguistics that focus on the study of the sounds of language. Phonetics is concerned with the physical properties of sounds, such as their production, transmission, and perception, while phonology is the study of the patterns and systems of sounds in a language. Phonetics can be divided into three branches: articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics. Articulatory phonetics deals with the study of how sounds are produced in the vocal tract. Acoustic phonetics is the study of the physical properties of sound waves, including their frequency, amplitude, and duration. Auditory phonetics is concerned with the perception of sounds by the ear and the brain. Phonology, on the other hand, is concerned with the study of the sound systems of languages. It examines the patterns of sounds within and across languages and how they are used to create meaningful units of speech, such as words and phrases. Now that we have a basic understanding of phonetics and phonology, let's look at some interesting examples and stories related to this topic. One fascinating aspect of phonetics is the study of speech sounds in different languages. For example, did you know that the English language has approximately 44 distinct sounds, while the Hawaiian language has only 13? Some languages, such as Mandarin Chinese, have a large number of distinct sounds, while others, like Hawaiian, have relatively few. Another interesting aspect of phonetics is the study of how speech sounds are produced. The human vocal tract is an incredibly complex system that involves the lips, tongue, teeth, and throat. When we speak, air is expelled from our lungs, and the vocal cords in our throat vibrate to produce sound. This sound is then shaped by the movements of our lips, tongue, and other articulators to create the distinct sounds of speech. Phonology is also a fascinating field of study, as it examines the patterns and systems of sounds within and across languages. For example, some languages, such as Japanese, have a very simple syllable structure, with only a few consonant-vowel combinations possible. Other languages, such as English, have a much more complex syllable structure, with many possible consonant and vowel combinations. One interesting aspect of phonology is the study of sound changes over time. Languages are constantly evolving, and over time, the sounds of a language can change in significant ways. For example, the English language has undergone a number of sound changes over the centuries, such as the Great Vowel Shift, which occurred in the 15th and 16th centuries and led to a significant change in the pronunciation of English vowels. Now, let's move on to our list of the top 12 popular linguistics in the world. This list is based on the number of speakers of each language and the global importance. 1. Mandarin Chinese. With over 1 billion speakers, Mandarin Chinese is the most widely spoken language in the world. 2. English. English is the global lingua franca, spoken by over 1 billion people worldwide. 3. Spanish. Spanish is the second most widely spoken language in the world. 4. Arabic. Arabic is the 5th most widely spoken language in the world and is the official language of over 20 countries. 5. Hindi. Hindi is the 4th most widely spoken language in the world and is the official language of India. 6. Bengali. Bengali is the 7th most widely spoken language in the world and is the official language of Bangladesh. 7. Portuguese. Portuguese is the 6th most widely spoken language in the world and is the official language of Portugal and Brazil. 8. Russian. Russian is the 8th most widely spoken language in the world and is the official language of Russia. 9. Japanese. Japanese is the 9th most widely spoken language in the world and is the official language of Japan. 10. Punjabi. Punjabi is the 10th most widely spoken language in the world and is the official language of Pakistan and India. 11. German. German is the 11th most widely spoken language in the world and is the official language of Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. 12. French. French is the 12th most widely spoken language in the world and is the official language of France and many other countries. Each of these languages has unique phonetic and phonological features that make them interesting and challenging to learn. For example, Mandarin Chinese has a tonal system, which means that changes in pitch can change the meaning of a word. English, on the other hand, has a complex system of stress and intonation that can significantly affect the meaning of a sentence. To summarize, phonetics and phonology are subfields of linguistics that focus on the study of the sounds of language. Phonetics deals with the physical properties of sounds, while phonology is the study of the patterns and systems of sounds in a language. The study of phonetics and phonology is fascinating and has many real-world applications, such as speech therapy and language teaching. In conclusion, the sounds of language are a fascinating and complex subject that has captivated linguists for centuries. From the study of speech sounds in different languages to the patterns and systems of sounds within and across languages, phonetics and phonology offer a wealth of information about the way we communicate. And now, as promised, here is a poem about the sounds of language. The sounds of language, a symphony so grand. Produced by the lips, the tongue, and the hand. A complex system, so intricate and fine. Creating words, phrases, and stories divine. From Mandarin's tones to English's stress. Each language unique, with features to impress. The phonemes and allophones, the syllables and more. A world of sounds to explore and adore. The study of phonetics, a science so great. Examining the physical properties of speech as mate. While phonology's patterns and systems we chart. To understand the structure of language, its heart. The sounds of language, a melody to behold. A reflection of culture, a story to be told. A symphony of voices, from near and afar. The sounds of language, a wondrous repertoire. ***, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335 as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place. And their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel and please watch more interesting videos here.